Hey guys, I'm just going to double check that mic is working. Okay. Sorry to lean down like this. I'm going to show you something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. Okay. I'll give you a little intro. I am using a $15 plastic Kmart microphone. Okay. I learnt this today, which was quite an interesting lesson. Watch this. This is a pop filter. And go right up to the microphone as close as I can. Now watch this. Okay, I'll just see if I can touch it there. All right, I'm at a decent distance. Now watch this. Know what to expect out on the bay. For the latest boating, fishing, and weather reports, 24 hours a day, turn to Baywatch Cruiser. And then there was a sound across the sky, and a jet plane came across, and it was a F-16, and it was on fire, and the plane blew up. You see what I'm trying to tell you, right? Can you imagine a cheap, nasty plastic Kmart microphone can sound really good if you know what you're doing? That is quite a big lesson to learn out there, right? Pop filter, mount everything properly and listen to how that sounds. Can you imagine? What if I sang a song? Let's see. Just walk away, Renee, you won't see me follow you back home. Just walk away. Does that blow your mind or what? Does that save you thousands, tens of thousands of dollars? Okay? Hope you learned something. God bless, teach, sell out.